Hi everyone, welcome to Skill Explore Master Course for UPDA and MMUP examinations in mechanical engineering discipline. This master course will help you to prepare you in a very smarter way to face your examinations. And these are our experts. Myself, Ram Prasad. I am an engineering design expert working as assistant professor, SEC, Anna University, India. And Mr. Dinesh Kumar, he's a thermal science expert working as assistant professor, REC, Anna University, India. And Mr. Maniganda Prabhu, he's a project management expert working as assistant professor, SRM University, India. And this master course includes recorded video sessions, e-study materials, 63 modules, live mock test and live quiz on each sessions, and complete syllabus coverage for your exams and free documentation consultation support for your exams. So all these are included in your master course, which are lifetime accessible. The special thing is we have designed a 63 modules live mock test, which is purely based on your previous year question papers. So this will help you to understand the nature of the exams, and that will help you to manage your time while taking up the exams. The syllabus in mechanical stream is basics of mechanics, strength of materials, machine design, fluid mechanics, thermodynamics, heat transfer, HVAC, power cycles, project management, manufacturing and heat treatment, engineering materials and mechanical testings of materials, and NFPA codes and TQM. Subjects and weightages. So we have segregated the subjects based on number of questions, that is number of questions per set of question paper. So these number of questions are based on the probability of previous year question papers. So this will make you understand that which topic is very important, so that we can able to concentrate on that particular topic to get clear your exams in a very easier manner. So this is the percentage of each subject which occupies your question paper. So next important thing is, it's a notice from Ministry of Municipality and Environment, which we call it as a MME. As per the new notice of MME November 2019, UPDA and MMUP examinations is a very mandatory thing for a visa process and renewal to live in Qatar. So as soon as possible, engineers must complete the process to get the engineering license. And UPDA and MMUP, MME exam pattern. So exam is a system based 1 hour exam. Okay, the exam pattern is objective type questions, and which has a 25 set or 27 set questions. So minimum score requirement to pass the examination is 13 right answers for 25 set questions and 14 right answers for 27 set questions. So each right answer is calculated for 4 marks, and the very good thing is we have no negative marks in this, and you need to prepare within your engineering discipline subject and project management. Can access the system calculator if needed. After finishing the exams, go outside the examination hall and wait in the resting area. After a few minutes, they will call you to announce the result. Okay, if you pass the examination, they will tell you to wait for a few more minutes to issue the UPDA and MMUP license. So your debit card or credit card is needed to payment of 300 Qatar Riyal for UPDA and MMUP license. So once payment is done, they will issue the UPDA and MMUP license. The examination will be conducted in same Palladia office, Doha Municipality Building, Beering Road. So Palladia office location is shared here. So please make use of it. And the documentations. So required documents to obtain UPDA and MMUP and MME exams. So mandatory documents are a valid Qatar ID and degree certificate should be attested from Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and consolidated mark sheet, overall mark sheet, transcript, each semester mark sheet, individual mark sheet. So next thing is Qatar PCC, that is a police clearance certificate, and curriculum vitae, and photo, passport. So additional documents, which is an optional one. So additional documents are experience certificate and any training certificate, like any specified specialized training certificates like a welding society training or NDA training or a quality training. So like that. So it is an optional thing. So useful and direct link to get your UPDA and MMUP exams requirements. So all these links will connect you directly to the required documents. So which is purely through the online. And for any queries, please contact Skill Explore, which is given here in the informations. So your mail ID is info@skillexplore.com and call to 988-4625-713. So if any doubts, please visit the website www.skillexplore.com. Thank you all, and all the best for your examinations, and get prepared very well. Try to clear your examinations in a very easier manner using this course. So all the best for your exams.